Hi, so the decision was made and we are doing some cleaning today. So I'm putting on my headphones, just sit back and relax and watch me cleaning this water damaged card. Okay, important moment. This cleanser, right, is a specialty PCB cleaner stuff. You don't play with it. Basically, it's highly toxic, highly flammable. It can destroy your eyes. It can destroy your skin. It's super dangerous to play with chemicals like this. You see, it's very well sealed. It's still new. I'll be opening it, but I will be wearing gloves. And I'll be probably wearing some glasses as well. And I'll be having my doors open to get rid of the fumes from it. So kids, chemistry is fun but dangerous. Alright? This is the same. Fun but dangerous. Would you look at that? That's the top of the card, of course, with the core and everything. After the cleaning, it looks new, like brand new. All is fine in here. Like, you wouldn't say this card had any damage on it. The worst part is the bottom of the card. So you still can see it didn't clean super well, so I don't think I kept spent enough time on this part, because I mainly unfortunately focused on this side, whereas this side was the more damaged one. I spent last 15 minutes also going through the microscope and cleaning some stuff between those caps. There is still some residue there. We can see it shortly under the microscope. And the worst damage in terms of corrosion, I think was somewhere there. Well, we will see it under the microscope soon. Yeah, can't find it now. But there is basically a capacitor and an unpopulated area that got damaged. So that would need resoldering. And what's the plan? Look guys, from the comments, it was like Yeah, I want to see the core swap, but it's wasteful. If it's good card, why bother? Or the labor to bring it back is not that much, so maybe try that. So I also want to swap the core because I really need to try. I have, well, not the proper equipment, but I have an equipment to do that. So I think it was there. Look, yeah. So this leg is completely corroded out, and this is corroded. So I scrapped the corrosion. Just a fresh solder there, and it will be fine. So basically, my plan is deal with that corrosion, put it back together, connect it to a PC, see if it works. If it works fine, there's no point taking the core out. If it doesn't, blows up my PC, whatever, we're taking the core out. Agreed? Agreed. Next thing we want to do is maybe clean up a bit this plate, right? Yeah, it's a lot of whatever. So So what we are left with is the bracket and the plastic bit that goes around the core. So the plastic, no problem, there's some thermal paste on it. So 3, 2, 1, that's good, like new, no worries there. Oh, there's some staining, I just spotted it. So let's get rid of that. Yes, much better. The bracket, it is corroded a bit. So we have a corrosion on this end here, and I don't think this will come out. I think this is like nickel plated or something, and unfortunately with like isopropyl alcohol and stuff, yeah, so the dirt is coming out, but the rust stays on it. Let me quickly see if I have one like this. If not, we will just reuse it. Although I don't like the rust staying on there. It's not good. Yeah, I'm always worried that the rust will like spread. I don't know if that is even possible. But discolor the PCB, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll be looking for one like that. And what do you know? I do have one. It's not corroded, although there is like a spot on it. Yeah, it has spots. But that I think will clean nicely. But other than that, that's identical. Good. Also, I probably have screws for that as well. Okay, so the card is in my test rig. Now we can clearly see that it needs the dusting, the heatsink and the fans. If the car is good, I will take care of it as well. Button of doom, red, blue, green. All right, and nothing. Oh, picture. Okay, let's allow for the Windows to boot. Clearly does something. Right here. Okay, I think the drivers are there. So let's go GPU Z. This TV is just way too big for that. 1070 Ti. Yeah, memory clock seems okay. It's in 2.0 mode. I hope this is just the power saving state or whatever. Sensors are there, and we can go and yeah, let's run something. Let's run Haven, and we've oh yeah, okay, it's fine. I want to see. Oh yeah, so the PCI has changed to 3.0. Good. That means all our lanes are right. Okay. I'll let it burn for a while. I'll let it go for 10-20 minutes and we'll update you.
A few moments later.
Well, it runs and everything is fine. So yeah, there was no point taking the core out of this one, because again I've bought another 1070 Ti, which is just good. Just cleaning labor, really. Okay, thank you for watching.